Next we have a comparison question, and it says, compare each of the following processes, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So when we talk through this comparison, we say that both aerobic and anaerobic respiration use glucose as a substrate. In aerobic respiration, the glucose is completely broken down in the presence of oxygen, while in anaerobic respiration the glucose is only partially broken down because there is no oxygen. Aerobic respiration releases a large amount of energy, whereas anaerobic respiration produces much less energy. In the next part they ask us for the comparison of anaerobic respiration in muscles and anaerobic respiration in yeast. So, both muscle cells and yeast use glucose during anaerobic respiration. In muscles, anaerobic respiration produces lactic acid, and this causes an oxygen debt that has to be repaid after exercise. In contrast, yeast produces alcohol, which is ethanol, and carbon dioxide during anaerobic respiration instead of producing lactic acid. Next we have a long question. It states, describe and explain the benefits to a person of the changes that occur in the body during a physical activity such as a 400 meters running race. So we will simply write, during a 400 meters race, adrenaline is released, causing glycogen to be converted into glucose, which increases blood sugar for energy. The heart beats faster and deeper, allowing more oxygen into the blood and helping remove carbon dioxide quickly. The muscles can then respire faster and release more energy. The body also sweats, and blood vessels also widens to cool down and maintain a safe body temperature. Keep in mind that this is not the complete answer, because it includes additional steps that are either beyond your syllabus or from other topics, so I have only included the parts relevant to this chapter. And the last one, this question asks us to explain why after this type of physical activity, a person remains out of breath for several minutes. So when we talk through this explanation, we say that after hard exercise, lactic acid builds up, and the body needs extra oxygen to remove it. This oxygen debt is what keeps the person breathing heavily for a few minutes. And with that, we come to the end of this topic on respiration. A lot of the syllabus has changed, so there are not many related questions available in the past papers. Otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I will see you again in another chapter. Thank you for watching.